today, look, we've got, whoops, about poured them out. Chicken legs, and look guys, there's some of the smaller size. They've got to where here lately, they're so big. But anyhow, I've got enough water in here in this bowl to cover those. Now I just guesstimated on the water, guys. Southern cooking, or the way I was taught, you just kind of eyeball it. So anyhow, we've got water in here, and I'm going to heavily salt this water. I'm going to say it's probably going to be about, I'm going to guess 2 tablespoons worth of salt. And then we're going to stir it. Until it gets dissolved. I don't know about y'all, but I cannot stand the taste of fresh chicken. That's what I call it. I don't even know if there's a technical term for it. I call it fresh chicken, where it just tastes fresh to me, like it's not salted good deep down. I'm gonna smother fry these the way my granny did later on, but we're gonna let them sit a couple hours. Sometimes you can let them sit overnight, guys. We're just gonna I've already washed my legs. We're just going to put them in this salty water. I'm going to cover it with saran wrap, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator until time to cook. I let mine sit at least 2 hours. You can do turkey this way, guys. Turkey's real good this way. Look at that little bitty fella. He almost looks like a drumette. But turkey's really good this way at Thanksgiving, to where you take that freshness out and your salt kind of gets in all the areas. Let me wash my hands real quick. Okay, got my hands washed. And I'm gonna just put me some saran wrap over that, and I'm gonna set it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. At least 2 hours, and then it'll be ready to smother fry. And I'll show y'all then how my granny used to do her chicken. I loved it. Loved it that way. Takes a little longer and takes a little time, but I loved it that way. So that's it for right now. We'll come back later and I'll show you how to then fry. All right. Love you guys.